Yeah, hello. This is GoPro wind testing. So much wind around here, man. अचानक से इतना ज़्यादा हवा. My God, dude, it's like windy as hell here right now. Cannot even cross 60. So fucking windy, man. I think I have to do audio test some other day. So stupidly windy today. I think most of my footage would be unusable. Not sure, man. Let's see how windproof this helmet is. How come, man, it has become so windy so sudden? Suddenly it has become windy. Not good. People are driving without helmets, man. This is the road that actually goes to Polar, but right now I just came here to do my GoPro testing and also my mic testing. So I just adjusted my GoPro angle and I feel, you know, this is a good angle to start with. And for the mic part, probably when I'll go house, then I will check. This is a new highway that they are, not highway, I would say, I think it's flyover. It's the new flyover that they are creating, right? Looks good, man, like a big project. Sun is up. So GoPro is supposed to, you know, I don't know, I have not experienced it, but people on YouTube have told me that GoPro just crushes the highlights and the shadows. Wherever there is a bit of a highlight and shadows, GoPro crushes it. So they advised me to, you know, basically set that there is one setting in the Pro Tune, we call that EV. So they basically advised me to set that EV negative value. So I have set it at like minus 0.5. So yeah, today is a partially cloudy day and partially sunny day, I would say. Not much sun, but a handful of clouds are there. So yeah, and my bike isn't something, you know, which which goes like a rocket. It's a very fairly powered bike, I would say. Doesn't have a good amount of power, nor it is, you know, overpowered, nor it is underpowered. Fairly powered. So one thing I just noticed with GoPro is that the battery life of GoPro is very, very bad. So, you know, right now I had applied all the battery saving settings, you know, but still I think I would get minute per percentage, I feel, you know. Like if you have a 20%, then you might be getting 20 minutes of recording, and that too on 2.7K. I'm not even recording at 4K, I'm just recording as 2.760. So yeah, battery life is pretty abysmal in GoPro. My bike is roaring today, dude. I don't know why. What has happened to it? The exhaust just opened up. Good amount of traffic jam is there. So surprising, GoPro is still recording. Because when I had started recording, जब मैंने start किया था, it was like 27%. Right now it is still recording, so it means मैंने जो बैटरी सेविंग्स के सेटिंग्स किए थे ना, वो काम आ रहे हैं. Because वो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. So I will right now I will just go to any bike cleaning shop and I will check whether my bike can be cleaned or not. बहुत ज़्यादा dirty हो गया यार. It has become hell out of a dirty shit. The plates vibrating. Bike can become dirty as hell. They want furniture mall, Max Fern. There are so many puncher shops around here, dude. On the highway. Oh, a driving school, a driving showroom. Good. Very sad state, dude. They just don't even leave enough space for bikes to go, Space is so little. Okay, so I will basically take the left here. Bike, something is loose. I feel like that. I'm not sure what is loose here, but something. Have to, go to a Honda dealership and get it checked. Cute dog. I just love dogs, man, but neither my family nor my girlfriend, both of them don't love dogs. So yeah, I don't have any dogs right now, but I love them, and in future I'm planning to have at least one dog. But I feel one dog is not worth having. It is not doing justice to the dog, it's because it doesn't have friends to play with. In India you don't have dog parks, something like that, where dogs can play with their own kind. So I feel it's fair on dog's perspective to have a pair, not a single dog. Okay, this BMTC bus just stopped here and whatever we take. So yeah, just let me know how is my audio. Should be good, man. I've invested in good audio mic. Oh, this guy, man, if I would not have seen him, he would have gone past. Let us check, dude, whether there are any cleaning places left.